In this video, you're going to learn how to check screen time on Windows 11. To be able to check screen time on your Windows 11, click on Start menu, then click on Settings. It's going to take you to this page, and here click on System, and here you're going to come down here. You're going to see Power and Battery. Click on that. When you are here, scroll down, you're going to see battery usage down here. When you click there, it's going to show you these bars. And so from here, you can see the time you've spent on screen, or the time this computer has been on, and also the off, and also the sleep. And so you can also change the interval or the hours. For instance, here when I click here, I can change into the last 7 days. You can see how your computer has been working in the last 7 days. You can also change this bar, and this is how you can check your screen time in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this if this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.